Hello guys, my name is Yash. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about Swing and also will learn about MVC architecture. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss any updates. Swing was developed to provide more sophisticated set of GUI components than Abstract Windowing Toolkit, that is AWT. Java Swing is a part of Java Foundation Classes JFC that is used to create window-based applications. It is built on top of AWT API and acts as a replacement of AWT API, since it has almost every control corresponding to AWT controls. This is the hierarchy of Swing. These are some advantages and features of Swing. Swing is a platform independent because it is completely written in Java. Extending the functionality of Swing is very easy for programmers. As Swing is written in Java, its components are lightweight. Swing is not dependent on underlying platform for the creation of user interface. Irrespective of platforms, the look and feel of Swing components is same in all environment. Swing is used to develop complex and large application GUI. These are the disadvantages and drawbacks of Swing. The appearance of Swing is same on all platforms, which may be little bit boring for end users. Swing components take more time to display on the screen. Swing components are developed on AWT library. AWT stands for Abstract Window Toolkit, whereas Swing is a part of Java Foundation class. AWT provides heavyweight components. Swing provides lightweight components. AWT components are platform dependent. Swing components are platform independent. AWT components require more memory space. Swing components require less memory space. AWT does not follow the MVC architecture. Swing follows the MVC architecture. AWT contains less number of components. Swing has a higher number of components. A required package for AWT is java.awt and required package for Swing is javax.swing. Speed of AWT is slow compared to Swing. Speed of Swing is fast compared to AWT. MVC, that is Model View Controller, is commonly used for developing software that divides an application into three interconnected parts. This is done to separate internal representation of information from the way information is presented to and accepted from the user. The model is the central component of the pattern. It directly manages the data, logic, and rules of the application. The model is responsible for managing the data of the application. It receives user input from the controller. A view can be any output representation of information, such as a chart or a diagram. The view means presentation of the model in a particular format. The controller accepts input and converts it to commands for the model or view. It controls the data flow into model object and updates the view whenever data changes. The controller responds to the user input and performs interactions on the data model objects. Multiple developers can work simultaneously on the model, controller, and views. MVC enables logical grouping of related actions on controller together. The nature of the MVC framework is such that there is low coupling among models, views, or controllers. Because of the separation of responsibilities, future development or modification is easier. Models can have multiple views. If you like this video, share it with your friends and also don't forget to like.